I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
Ako si Inday Abel Bisaya, Lumad Davao. Pagkagwapo sa atong adlaw karon. Very wonderful weekend. Ayan. To si adlaw. Pagkanindot. Murag na atay bagyong moabot karon, guys. Mo ni ang atong kabuntagon. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Please watch my vlog. Maayong buntag kanimo, Miming. Morning. Asa ta karumang lakaw.